It's an iMovie! Woohoo! Hello everybody, Ms. R here. Today we are going to learn about Enharmonics. Yes, Enharmonics. So take a look at this very cool video that I just made for you. Hi everybody, we talked about last time that the monks created this Western music notation. Well, in Western music, the music that we read, everything is done in what we call half steps. So you learn this at your elementary schools. That sometimes, and I'm going to show you on this keyboard, I'm just going to go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, what you learned is sharps and flats. And what we said, when you have a C, if you put a sharp in front of it, it goes up a half step. Okay, so if we go D and we say D sharp, we go up a half step. So everything that we do, all the notes that we play, are done in half steps. Okay, so C, C sharp, because we're going up. Another thing that you learn is that if you put a flat in front of it, the note goes down. So if I'm on a D and I want to go down to this one here, I just put a flat in front of it. So D, D flat, D, D flat, E, E flat. So you notice I'm always going down. E, E flat, D, D flat, C. If I go up, it's C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So what are you getting at, Ms. Rataik? Or Ms. R, excuse me, this is Ms. R talking. Okay, well, C, up a half step, C sharp. D, down a half step, D flat. OMG, it's this, you're hitting the same thing. Yes, indeed. A C, up a half step, C sharp, D, down a half step, D flat. This note right here has two names. It's a C sharp and it's a D flat. Now, does that hold true for everybody? Yes. D sharp, E flat. D sharp, E flat. Same note. Notice this didn't leave. This is called an enharmonic. It sounds the same. Here's my E flat. Here's my D sharp. It's the same note. It sounds the same. It is the same. Okay? You can really see that on the mallet instrument. Okay, so what has this got to do with you and playing your instrument? It is extremely important that you know and understand enharmonics because it has everything to do with your fingering. So take a look at this and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm using the trumpet book as an example because this is the one that is always our biggest problem. Do you notice that they have an A sharp and a B flat? The B flat is fingered with first valve. The A sharp is fingered with first valve. Now why is that? Because it's the enharmonic. It is the same pitch. Remember how the sharps we go up one and the flats we go down one? That's that mystery note. A sharp is the same as B flat, which means first valve. Okay? Take a look over here. F sharp is played with second valve. So F, we go up a half step, and G, we go down a half step. So that is the same note. F sharp goes up, second valve, G flat goes down a half step. It is second valve. It's the same pitch. It absolutely sounds the same. Sometimes in your music it will be written as an F sharp. Sometimes in your music it will be written as a G flat. So you need to know, just stop and think. Okay, G flat goes down half step, F goes up. think what the fingering is, and that's how you'll know it. So you don't have to use your fingering chart all the time, okay? Go to your fingering chart in your book and use that. Go and check out your fingerings for each one of these and use that to answer the questions you're going to have. So, enharmonics, it is a pitch that sounds the same. This sounds the same as this. It just looks different. Has the same fingering, same pitch, la. It just looks different. It'll be an F sharp or it can be a G flat, but it's the same pitch, the same sound, the same fingering. All right, good luck with that.